Going to make a gingerbread cake in the Insta Pot requested by a subscriber. So let's get started. I've got everything I need here. I've got the oil, the sugar, the beaten egg, and the molasses, and it's all going in here. And this is the oil. I'll have all the ingredients in the box below. And the molasses, just like this. Get what we can out. Just like that. The sugar. And one slightly beaten egg. Like I said, look down below in the box. It will have everything in the description box how to make this. And you just want to mix this up just a little bit. I think I'll use a fork. This is just a little bit too big and gummy for me. Oh yeah, this is much easier. Just mix this all up really well. Just like this. Then we want to come over here, and I've got all the ingredients in here already. We've got all-purpose flour, baking soda, cinnamon, ground ginger, cloves, salt, and I'm going to put 1 cup of hot water in. And I might have to get a bigger bowl. I don't think so, but there's 1 cup of water. And inside the steel pot, I have 2 cups of hot water. And then we're going to take this mixture. This will be fine. And we're going to mix that right in. Smells good. Now, this is the first time I've ever made this recipe, but I'm sure it's going to be yummy because it smells really good. I like gingerbread. It's a snowy day here in Maine. It'll be a great day for it. Okay, and then you just want to mix this all up. And once this is mixed all up, I'll bring you back. Hey folks, look at that beautiful batter. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. Looks wonderful. Now you want to take a pan of your choice. Mine's a 6-quart Insta Pot, and I'm using this pan here, this tube pan. I make my angel food cakes in here. I make most everything in here. It's greased up really well. That's very important to get it greased up well. And put it right in just like this. Boy, I wish my nose and you could come right through my camera here because it smells incredibly great. Oh, wow. Yum, yum. And I just happen to have some whipped cream we haven't used that I bought something for, and we haven't used it, so that's gonna work great. I could make my own whipped cream. I think I got whipping cream in there, but I was gonna make something else with that. Yum. This really, really is a great batter. Okay, now that we got this all in, here it is in here, and I make aluminum sling. I take aluminum, heavy aluminum, and I fold it in 3s. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right underneath the tube pan, just like this. And I have a trivet in here, and there's 2 cups of water inside. I'm going to lift it in the Insta Pot just like that. Now, from the past experience, I've made cakes, and you do get some condensation off the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of paper towel on top. Let me lift you up just a little bit. See that? Just like that. So hopefully I can get the cover on, okay? Sometimes I have to cut it down, but we'll see. To get my hand in the way here. Do you hear it sing to me? And we have a cake button right here. And I'm gonna hit the cake button for 40 minutes. And it's on normal right there. And it will give me some beeps. You gotta have the steam right in the middle, right here. So we'll be back in 40 minutes. The cake is out. It did split just a little bit on top, but the house smells amazing. I'll show you right here, but it smells really, really good. So I'm just gonna take a plate. We're just gonna put it on top like this. It says to take it out while it's hot. Myself, I would rather take it out when it's cool, but I'm going according to the directions. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Ah, hot, hot. Baby, it's hot. Put it back so you can see. Ooh. Wowza, it's hot, baby. I got a little Ready Whip real cream right here to put on it. I knew I had a new one. Whoops, trying to figure out how to open it. Guess what? I just broke the top right here. I just broke the top of it. I don't know how. I guess Ray's gonna have to open it. We don't get any cream on it. I guess that's a way of God saying I'm watching my calories here. Okay, so here we go. Woo! Oh wow, look at that. Now, is that a cake or is that a cake? Gingerbread cake. Look, wonderful. Look at the height on that thing. Let me get a ruler here. See what it is. How high is it? 3 inches. And people are gonna ask me about my pan. My pan is 7 inches, right there. Okay, this is still warm. I don't usually like to cut cakes warm. Ray's grandmother would say you need to cut it with dental floss when it's warm. But I'm just gonna take a small piece so you can see. Woo, hot, hot, baby. Hot, hot, woo-za, hot, hot. There's the piece right there. Doesn't that look good? Now, I wished I could get this cover off. Wait a minute. I might have another one. Oh, I just got it right here. I'll see how good it's gonna go. Good enough. Woohoo, I got it. We're just gonna put a little dog right there because I am supposed to be watching what I eat. Let me see if I can bring this up. Whoa. Hey everybody, how are ya? Please give me thumbs up if you like this because it looks delicious. All those thumbs YouTube look at and gives me some more view time. I'd really appreciate it. This is gingerbread cake. And I'll put everything in the description box below. And like I always say, you never know what's gonna be on my videos. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And I almost forgot to take a test. Okay, here we go. It's good. It is dense. Whoops. It is dense, but very good. Very good. You can taste all the seasonings in there. And if you like ginger or cinnamon, add just a tad more. All right, folks. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. And have a great day. Bye now.